Today we're making a really quick and easy weekday tomato sauce. Let's do it. A weekday sauce is a really quick and easy tomato sauce that you can make in batches, that you can keep in the fridge or the freezer ready to go for any dishes you need tomato. Pasta, pizza, lasagna, you name it. So to make our weekday sauce, we're going to prep some garlic. So take a bulb of garlic and we want about 3 to 5 cloves. Remove the skins and we're going to use the whole cloves in the sauce just to give it a beautiful perfume. Pop a pan on the hob, add a little splash of olive oil, chuck in your whole garlic cloves, and just as soon as they start to sizzle very gently, we need some tomato passata. Pour in your passata, give it a quick stir, and then we want some fresh basil. Chuck in a few basil leaves, and then you want to season with some salt, give the sauce a really good stir, and then you want to cook it out and reduce it down by about a third, and this will take anywhere between 10 and 15 minutes. Nice and quick and simple. So cook out your sauce, give it a taste for seasoning, and after about 10 minutes or so, you'll be ready to go. At this point, you want to remove the basil leaves and get out all of those cloves of garlic, and there you have your beautiful weekday sauce. You can use the sauce immediately or pop it into a Tupperware and store it in the fridge. So give it a try, guys, and I'll see you next time.